let's count in base 3. What are the digits used in the base 3 count system? We have digits 0 to 2. To count, we use the digits to form numbers. So we have 0, base 3. We have 1, base 3. We have 2, base 3. We've exhausted all the digits used in the base 3 counting system. We move on to 2-digit numbers. And how do we start that? We take 1, which is the highest after 0. Then we combine it with all those numbers, all those digits again. So we have 0, base 3. You have 1, 1, base 3. You have 1, 2, base 3. We go back to these digits and we replace it with the other digits we have left. We have 2. So we have 2, 0, base 3. 2, 1, base 3. 2, 2, base 3. And that's all for 2-digit numbers in this counting system. Move on to 3-digit numbers. We start with 1, 0, 0, base 3. Move on to 1, 0, 1, base 3. 1, 0, 2, base 3. Now here we've exhausted all the digits for the last digits. We go back to the second digit and we start making the same procedure. 1, the next digits after 0, 1, 0, base 3. We have 1, 1, 1, base 3. We have 1, 1, 2, base 3. Now we are done here. We go back here again, then change it to the next highest, which is 2. So we have 1, 2, 0, base 3. And we keep counting like that. Following the same procedure, we move on to 4-digit numbers, we move on to 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers, until infinity. Thank you.